Hello everybody. So this is day 5 of my mom's stay here in Manila, and right now we're taking a taxi to our new apartment now in BGC, and also we'll see what else is going to be happening after that. But it's going to be our first day, well actually second day with Christina being at work, so it's just me and my mom today. So while here in BGC, we stopped by this bookstore on High Street, and wow, this is kind of an interesting vision over here. This really is one of the better looking bookstores. Definitely stands out from the National Bookstore. And Mom got another book on the Philippines.
Proud of so
So that's cool. There's also a basement. After walking around here in High Street and finishing the bookstore, we got pretty hungry already. It's way past lunchtime, so we went to Queens of Bollywood Indian restaurant, and we got the butter chicken. It's one of the best dishes. One of the best dishes that could be had in any Indian restaurant. And isn't it delicious? Nice.
5 hours later.
Well, it's dinner time now. We went to Hakata Ton-ichi Ramen. It's a really awesome ramen place that's pretty close to our house. Mama's having ramen for the first time. Hopefully she's gonna like it. We got 3 different types, and bon appetit. And it looks like it's my lucky day today. I had not 1, not 2, but 3 different kinds of ramen dishes. Wow, I feel like such a bad boy today. But I'm really enjoying myself. 3 different types: the black ramen, the red ramen, and the original ramen. So good. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Nobody got something to say. We certainly will come back.